Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to tell you this is Thursday, and on Thursday at school, we always do a science project. So Thursday will be my science day, just like when we're at school. And today I'm going to make something called elephant toothpaste. Now think about that. Elephant toothpaste. Is an elephant small or is it large or big? That could be a clue about something that's going to happen. Think about it and see if you can tell me what is going to happen. So first of all, I'm starting out with 2 empty jars. Actually, I guess I really only need 1. I'm not sure why I brought out 2. So I've got an empty jar, and I am going to take some peroxide, and I have to measure to put a half of a cup into my bottle. So I have my peroxide here, and I have to look on my marks. I don't know if you can see, but right there it says 1/2. So I'm going to pour my peroxide in until it goes up to the 1/2 mark. There you go. It's right there at 1/2. Okay, so I'm going to take my peroxide and I'm going to pour it into my bottle. There we go. Okay, my peroxide is in. All right, now then, I want to put some color in there because peroxide is clear. You can't see it. So I you know my favorite color is red. You guys know that. So I'm going to put 10 drops of red food coloring in. Can you guys help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I've got 10 drops of red food coloring. All right, now I'm going to just kind of swish it around a little bit. So now you can see my water is red, right? Can you see that? But it's down here, you can't see it so well. I should probably put that up on something. But okay, I've got red water. Now then, I need to put some soap, just some dish soap, into my bottle. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. So if your mom has measuring spoons and they're all hooked together like mine, it's easy to tell because the tablespoon is the biggest one. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of soap in my bottle. Okay, let's see what's going to happen when I put soap in there. Okay, let's get all that in there. All right, now then, I'm going to swish it around a little bit. When I put soap in there, what do you see happening? Can you see? Yeah, you're right. It's making a little bit of bubbles because that's what happens when you put detergent in, right? All right, now I still have to add something, but I have to rinse this off. I have to add something called yeast. Now, do you remember when we made our bread in a bag, we used yeast? Remember you smelt it and it smelt a little bit funny? Well, we have to put 2 tablespoons of yeast into this container. So I'm going to measure out. Now, once again, my tablespoon is the biggest one of my set. So I'm going to get 2 tablespoons in here of my... Uh-oh, guess what? This package only has 1 tablespoon in it. I need 2. So I'm going to put 1 in there. And now I need to put another one in. So when I got to go get another package. Here we go. I've got one right here. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in. I'm going to have to cut this one open because I was thinking that would have enough in it, but my paper says I need 2, and 1 package of yeast only has 1 tablespoon in it. So It's okay. I've got more yeast. I'll just open this one And I'm going to get another tablespoon of yeast. Here we go. Okay. Now, I've got 2 tablespoons of yeast. Now I have to put in 6 tablespoons of warm water. Wonder why warm water? It specifically says warm, so I have to get some warm water. Hold on a minute. It can't be too hot and it can't be too cold. So I'm going to put warm water into my yeast. Help me count 6, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to stir that around so that it all dissolves. Remember what dissolves means? Because when I put the yeast in and it just was like little bumps, it looked like little bits of sand. But if you stir it up, it dissolves so it starts to look like it's just like a liquid. So I'm stirring up my yeast. Now, do you remember when we put the yeast in for our bread, what we said the yeast helped the bread dough do? Do you remember? Because guess what? Whatever the yeast helped with our bread, it's also going to help with our solution in our bottle. So 1 minute, let me see here. I'm going to get a spoon so I can stir this a little bit better that isn't like this measuring spoon. Okay. Stir it up a little bit more, and then I'm going to pour this into our bottle. Okay, I need your predictions. What do you think is going to happen to the liquid that's in our bottle when we put this yeast in? Should we find out? Now think about it. A clue is that this is elephant toothpaste. And is an elephant small or is an elephant large? Let's see if this works. Ready? I'm going to pour it in. Here we go. What's going to happen? Oh my goodness, what's happening to our elephant toothpaste? Friends, what just happened? Look at that. It's still bubbling out. So let's think about it. When I put the yeast into the solution of hydrogen peroxide and soap, the elephant toothpaste, it got huge and it bubbled out over top. Just like you have to have something big for an elephant to brush its teeth, this is something big. Now, this is not really elephant toothpaste. That's just what it's called because it gets so big. I hope you enjoyed our experiment today of making elephant toothpaste. And I want to tell you that today, as you know, is Thursday. Next week is our spring break. So all week long, next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the following Monday, how many days is that? Let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we won't have Saturday or Sunday, and then we have Monday again. So we would have 6 school days that we're not going to have coming up because of spring break. So the next time I come back with my video to see you will be on Tuesday after Easter. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you very much, and I will see you on Tuesday after Easter. Bye-bye.